I'm going to try to shoot a quick video for those of you that have not been able to come to my studio open house. Baskets made by Sue Selvey that contain horse bits, stirrups, you name it. She also makes bags out of your winning ribbons. Barbara Bird's pillows. In the dining room, I'm displaying most of my works in progress, along with photos that I painted from. Some of my plein air books are out here, my sketchbooks. Oh, here's one of Venice that's almost done, that I'm loving. Linda English's jewelry. The wine and refreshment bar. This is where most of my frames are stored and other painting supplies, but I also have paintings out for sale this weekend. These paintings here were done by one of the residents of Hope's House, which is my charity for this year. Hope's House gives a home to homeless women while they continue to search for employment. So it's very important to me that we raise some money for them this weekend, and I am giving 10% of all of my sales this weekend. This is my studio. This is where I usually have a table set up. I can sit here and paint, take a little rest on the couch, watch a little TV while I'm painting. And in here, this used to be the parlor of the house. My house was built in 1940. And the parlor I have turned into my studio, and my gallery, where I can display salon style all of my paintings. I have some reproductions, some Venice paintings. Here are Daphne's paintings. Daphne's my 7-year-old granddaughter, and any painting she sells this weekend, she is donating half to St. Jude. And then here is the front porch and what you would actually walk into on your way to my open studio. I hope you get to come sometime today. It's from noon till 4, Sunday, October 27.